Good morning, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to talk to you guys about my morning and my evening skincare routine. First up, it's understanding what your skin type is. Dry, oily combination, do you have sensitive, do you have any other underlying issues? Like all of these things are important before you determine what to look for. So me, I have dry skin. Today it's extremely dry, but generally I have dry skin. So my face wash, therefore, is the simple face wash. I really like this because it's not too stripping. It's very gentle, and I use this in the morning, and I just take a very tiny pea-sized amount and just wash my face in the morning. Next up, toner. And I let this sit, and I sometimes sort of like pat it in. And essence, so this sort of really helps lock in the moisture a little bit more as well. Eye cream, moisturizer, sunscreen, lip balm, now it's ready for makeup. Right, so for my evening skincare, I start by removing my makeup first with a makeup remover. 2 cotton pads. And I only use it around the areas where I need a little bit more, where the makeup is a bit more stubborn. So usually waterproof. Next, oil cleanser. So I'm using this salicylic acid cleanser. What this does is really clean. Micellar water. I know, you must be thinking, what the hell, how many times is she cleansing? But I'm telling you, okay, I'm going to show you the evidence. Look at this. Toner. Eye cream again. My antioxidant serum that has like retinol and vitamin C and loads of amazing ingredients. Never forget your hands. By the way, I do also exfoliate once, maybe twice a week. Last but not least, lip balm again. That's it. I'm gonna put on my pajamas and go to bed. Right, I'm doing you guys a favor. You're gonna get 10% off most of the skincare that I'm gonna share. The link and the code is going to be in the description box. So go get your skincare.